Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 844. So here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest in Bitcoin every day. If you aren't familiar with this app, definitely check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. But taking a look at Bitcoin, current price $36,718, down 7.44% today. I have $3,200 of Bitcoin in my wallet, down 1.26% on the week, down 32% on the month, still up 288% on the year. So it's not looking amazing. It's also not looking too bad. It's looking like a very healthy dip or the start of a bear market. We'll see. For this experiment and for all the dollar cost averagers out there, it doesn't really matter. We just keep buying. In today's news, I'm not sure about any of that, but I saw the US is printing like 6 trillion more dollars. So that's obviously good news because people are starting to just want to trade their US dollars for anything to get rid of your US dollars. The more they print, the worse it gets. So I want to show some charts real quick. Here's what we're looking at. The Bitcoin run up to 65,000. Dropped down, but a lot of people are looking at these higher time frame candles. So this is a weekly view. You know, here was a bottom and we didn't go below that. So that's a good sign. So currently at 36,700 some. We don't want to get down here basically. You know, if we can close out the week this Sunday somewhere in here, then I think that's pretty healthy. Like, that's not bad. However, if we were to close below some of these like that's probably not something that you want to see. Let's go to the monthly here. So more higher time frame stuff. Again, the month will close on the 31st in about 3 days. So we are above this right here. So I think staying above this would be healthy on the monthly. Again, I'm no expert. I just kind of look at where these candles are closing. So this is a candle, this is a wick. The longer wicks on the bottom are good. Like this has a long wick on the bottom. That means that it got bought up fast. So the longer this wick gets, the higher this gets up before the monthly close. That's the more positive that this is. Again, I'm not much of an expert, so don't take that too seriously, but hopefully it'll give you a little bit of insight there. Bitcoin owned 0.08717,893. Let's buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. Scan my fingerprint. And tap confirm. Tap done. Just like that, we've purchased today's Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. $3,208, 3208 divided by 844 days equals a 3.8x on my investment. So still doing very well. What this means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $3.08. So just gonna continue on buying $1 every day. Another thing to check out real quick, Sync team is doing a live stream today and every Friday. I'll definitely be in this chat on Twitch watching it. You can come to their Twitter Sync token and follow the links. Some really smart people talking about crypto. Highly recommend watching. It'll probably be live about the time that this video goes up. But yeah, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's update. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.